are some mambo tips and tricks. You can use the grabber to catch and drop small objects. Turn on and connect your parrot mambo. Attach the grabber under the parrot mambo and have the brick move inside the arms. The brick LED becomes green. The FreeFlight Mini application detects the grabber automatically. And FreeFlight Mini, press this icon to open and close the grabber. To activate the free fall takeoff, push this button. Then toss your drone. The parrot mambo can also take photos. To take photos, press this icon. To retrieve your files, connect your parrot mambo with a USB cable to your computer. Your computer automatically detects the parrot mambo. An icon appears as if it were a USB stick. Copy your photos onto your computer. You can also retrieve your photos from the FreeFlight Mini application. In FreeFlight Mini, go into internal memory. The list of photos will appear. Attach the hull to the Parrot Mini drone arms. Ensure that the hull is properly attached to the parrot mambo contacts.
Meet Spark. Small, colorful, smart. A powerful flying camera that you can take anywhere. It's so clever, it activates by recognizing you. Just launch it from the palm of your hand. It even returns when you call it. And land like this. Easy. Can't get everyone in the shot? No problem. Watch as it hovers precisely in place, always at your command. Control it with your hands, remote controller, mobile device, or DJI goggles. Using GPS, Spark knows where it is, even if you don't. It'll even sense obstacles to avoid things in front of it and come home safely. Think you got smooth moves? Spark's footage is smoother. It takes the shake out of your shot, so you look like a pro. Not feeling the control sticks? Perform preset flight maneuvers with a single click and get those epic shots. Here's a way to stand out from the crowd. Spark automatically adds shallow depth of field to your photos. If you don't know how to fly, just tap fly. Let's see if you can handle sport mode. Spark keeps you in the frame, so all you need to do is act naturally. Edit your epic videos and share them instantly. Spark your aerial creativity anywhere. All you need to do is seize the moment.
This is Skydio R1. These guys would tell you that it's a fully autonomous flying camera that's built around the most advanced tracking and navigation system ever flown, using the power of artificial intelligence to see the world through 13 cameras, ultra-precise visual tracking, deep neural networks to map and understand the world around it, a prediction system that looks 4 seconds into the future to determine its trajectory, and a continually expanding set of software-defined cinematic skills. But to put it simply, R1 is a drone that flies itself so that you can get awesome 4K footage of the cool stuff that you like to do without having to worry about hitting obstacles or crashing or, flying it at all. Yeah, did we mention that it's a flying robot? R1 puts people at the center of the story, and because you don't need a pilot, you can focus on you and your adventures. Here's how easy it is to use R1. Open the Skydio app on your phone, swipe up to launch it, tell R1 who or what you want it to follow, and you're off. Your flying robot buddy up there will capture your world in 4K and not run into stuff while it does it. R1 follows you on its own, but you can tell it to capture different
Hi, meet OORI. This is a production drone that is the fastest micro that you can get your hands on at the moment. So, as you can see here, we've got a nice little transmitter and a nice little drone. These guys can cruise around and have a lot of fun. Some of the nice features of OORI are this transmitter and this drone are ready to go right out of the box. We've got a nice FPV screen here. You kind of see it streaming there right now as we have it on. In addition to this, we have a quick change battery on the bottom. These are just swap in, swap out. You don't have to worry about any plugs or anything like that. Once you've got it in the air, easy to fly. It's got hold position as well as altitude hold. We don't do that with any GPS requirements, so we don't have to actually be outside to do that. You can have hold position in your house hovering over the carpet. So this makes it really easy to learn if you've never really flown drones before. So this is everything that you want in a drone, but in a micro package. Ready to go out of the box. Oh, look at my LEDs are different colors. It's beautiful.
focus.